Hello everyone, I'm Kat and welcome. You have arrived to my channel. I'm absolutely thrilled because this is my first YouTube video on my YouTube channel and I'm so excited to be doing a makeup tutorial for you today. And the palette that I'm going to be using is from Dominique Cosmetics and is the Latte palette and is the cosmetic line from Dominique. If you would like to see how I got this makeup look using the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette, then keep watching. Here we go. All right, so first I'm gonna take some Tarte Shape Tape and I'm taking it, mine is in the color Light Medium Honey. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in with my finger. Go in first with a nice fluffy blending brush. This is a Sigma E40 tapered blending. And I'm going to pick up the vanilla cream. I'm going to use this blending brush for more color. So I'm going to keep holding on to this guy and I'm going to jump into caramel. I'm going to put the caramel all the way into the crease and then maybe like bring it up and bring it a little bit down, but you don't want to go all the way to your brow bone or to your lash line. And we do some back and forth windshield wipers and some circles, which I really like to call swirly whirlies. I like to call them those. So that's what I do. All right, then we're gonna go into some pumpkin spice. Same brush, and now this time I'm just gonna focus this color on the outer third of the crease and almost a little bit to half. So I'd say about half your crease. There we go. So half your crease, but the focal point is on the outer third. Stay there, curl. All right, so the outer third, and a little bit into that crease, but not too much. I don't want to bring it into the inner corner. Just back and forth, back and forth. I think that's good. All right, now I'm gonna go in with, this is a Sigma Blending E36. Take that color hazelnut in that V and then flick it inwards. So I'm kind of like blending the color to my eyelid a little bit, but you just want it to be like a third of your eye, not too much. Darken up more with mocha, but before I do that, I'm going to go in with the colors for the lid and then add that deepest shade to get a little bit more depth right there in the outer corners. All right, and what I'm going to do before I get to the lid, I'm going to grab the vanilla cream and just slightly blend right at the edges there. And same thing on the other side. Kind of blend that out. Another Sigma brush. This is the cream color E58. So I'm going to go in to Macchiato first. And I'm going to pack it on here on the brush. And I'm going to apply this I usually have so much trouble with shimmer colors like showing up on my lid. I get like no pigmentation, and let me tell you, oh yeah. I'm gonna add this to my left eye, inner corner. Because we want to shimmer and shine. I got this jam packed with some fun macchiato. Okay, now, and as you can tell, I put it from the inner corner and I stopped a little bit past halfway, so that like outer third is gonna have another color on it. So I'm gonna jump in with that second color right now, and it is Espresso. I'm gonna apply this one on the outer third and just very lightly start to kind of blend it over macchiato. Once that's nice and blended and you feel like you've achieved the somewhat matching shades on each side, I'm gonna use this to just kind of blend over the inner corner here to kind of get a little bit of the shimmer. Not such a harsh line, so it's gonna blend up. And then same thing on the other side. I'm gonna go in with Mocha that I almost destroyed today by dripping concealer on it. All right, so I'm gonna take that color and go right over the edge. Espresso. I'll take that right in the corner there and blend. I'm gonna bring it in just a smidge. Okay, now from here, I think I'm gonna wait to do my eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera really fast, and I'm gonna do my foundation. I'm actually not gonna do a hardcore foundation. I'm gonna do my little trick with my concealer that I like use as foundation. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape right here. So if you are interested in seeing how I do this, please comment down below and let me know, but I'm gonna go off camera right now to do this, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Okay, so I did a lot more than I said I was gonna leave and do. I went ahead and did my face with just the concealer, and I powdered it. I put a little bit of contour, put some blush, and I also did my eyebrows, and I put some eyeliner on. Now we're gonna move on back to the eyes. So I'm gonna jump right back up into it, and I'm gonna go back in, with my trusty Sigma, that nice Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. Go in with caramel first, and I'm going to very sloppily get this puppy everywhere and bring it down a little bit too. We're gonna continue and keep taking that caramel color and buffing that out under the eye. And same thing over here. Hop in, same brush. You're gonna pick up pumpkin spice, and you're going to keep this closer to your actual lash line. Okay, so once you have pumpkin spice done, then you're gonna go back to that smaller blending brush, and I'm gonna pick up hazelnut, and I'm gonna focus this one on the outer third, and I'm gonna connect it underneath my eyeliner, under my wing. So in the outer third here. Once you're done with that and you have your hazelnut, blend it out a little bit under the wing. This is from Luxie, and it's a number 221. And I'm gonna pick up Mocha, and then we're gonna take this right on the outer third lash line here. Same thing on the left side. Okie dokie. All right, once that is done, I'm just kind of blending out that the mocha color that I just put on with the flat definer brush. All right, that is that. Now I'm going to take my Sigma shader inner corner E46, and I'm going to pick up macchiato, and I'm going to bring this into the inner corner and a little bit pull it in just like the outer third of the inner corner. Let's see then. Mascara. All right, I think, nope. Whoa, wait, hold up. Pick up Macchiato. I'm gonna little dash of this right underneath my brow bone. I'm just gonna use my ring finger. Just kind of blend that out a little bit. Okay. And that's fine. Now, ooh, we can put the brow gel on. I like to put my brow gel on after I do my highlighter because I go to put the highlight on the brow bone and I bump my brow hairs. All right, so I'm gonna take the brow gel very, very lightly through the brow hairs. So now we're gonna move on to a mascara, one of my favorite things. So the mascara I'm gonna be using today is the L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar X Fiber. Don't know if you can really see that, but yeah, it's pretty awesome. It has the two sides. One side is for priming the eyes and the other side has the fibers, another nice big coat of mascara for you. So let's go ahead and get started. I like to do 2 coats of the first step. So that's what we're gonna do today as well. My hair out of the way. All right. Now I'm gonna go in with the second side and go for it. All right, now lipstick. Oh, that's not lipstick. I'm going with Ludwig today. Some KatVonD. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Hi, Nugget. Should put my setting spray on first, but oh well. I'm gonna do it now. Guess that's enough. Whew. All right. Yeah. I'm gonna go fix my hair a little bit and then I will be right back. I just went real quick and diffused my hair, kind of picked it out a little bit, just got my hair all ready for the day. But this is the finished makeup look. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I'm so excited because I am going to be uploading videos every Monday and it's going to be flip-flopping between a makeup tutorial and my curly girl hair journey. So my curl friends, yes, look out for some really fun hair videos. And I'm also every once in a while going to be uploading some random videos through the month. So once again, thank you so much for watching and take care, guys. Bye. They're like, well, oh, see, I went and had to go. I had to go and be silly. And I went and fudded up. Banana bread. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video